Look at my hair after this hot oil treatment. So healthy and shiny. If you're dealing with dryness, breakage, or dull hair, this video is for you. I'll be showing you my go-to method for a hot oil treatment. No, we don't heat up the oil. That's something I don't recommend. I see a lot of people heating up their oils in these plastic bottles, but you're really ruining the oils that way. One, you're getting plastic all in your product, and two, heating up the oils can very much disrupt the integrity of these organic ingredients, and you don't want to ruin your products, okay? You want to make sure you are valuing your investment, especially if you're using organic products like Love Light and Locks products. So I start off with freshly washed locks. They're a bit dull and dry, but I did a great job clarifying. Get into the scalp. So my locks have been towel dried so they aren't dripping wet, but it's important that they're fully saturated. Since it's a bit drier than I prefer, I go ahead and mist it with the Love Light and Locks Rose Water Moisturizer. And then I go ahead and apply the horsetail leaf growth oil. This is the perfect oil for hot oil treatments because it's infused with horsetail herbs, which is incredible for strengthening. Plus, it makes hair more attractive in appearance and smoother and softer to the touch. And on the scalp, it creates the ideal environment for hair growth. So I apply a generous amount to my scalp and to my hair. The trick is not to use too much to the point where your hair is greasy, but little enough that you don't need to rinse your hair after. When applying the oil, consider how thick and long your hair is. I have fine but dense hair down to the top of my buttocks, and I used just a few tablespoons of the horsetail leaf growth oil. I also used the emu oil growth drops on my hairline to keep it full. This is a great oil for your hairline if you could use some filling due to inflammation from tight styling or being pulled back a lot. It's very anti-inflammatory. So after I massage my hair and scalp well, I go ahead and use my damp towel that I used after the wash, and I'll go ahead and put that in the microwave. I like to get it nice and hot, but not too hot, just hot enough that my hands can handle it. And I go ahead and wrap my hair in the hot towel for about 20 minutes. When I take the towel off, my hair is super soft and shiny, and it looks healthier than ever. The Rose Water Moisturizer, the Horsetail Leaf Growth Oil, and the Emo Oil Growth Drops are available on KeishaCharmaine.com in limited quantities every month. They're available now in the Nurture with Nature box or separately. But if you get the bundle, you can get a free long lux head wrap. Just make sure you add it to your cart. No code needed, okay? But act fast. Love Light and Locks products are available in small quantities monthly to keep everything quality controlled. Okay, these are handmade, herb-infused organic products that I make and ship personally. So my priority is that every single order has a potent product that works. Our customers see noticeable hair growth in as little as 2 weeks and an improvement in texture and moisture retention immediately. Join thousands of our customers today while you can. But if you're watching this vid too late, that's okay. Just join my email list so you never miss a drop. Thanks for watching. Love, Light, and Locks.